Hey guys, so with COVID and everything, people are looking for ways to make extra money. And this is something you can do if you're a college kid or whatever. If you have a sledgehammer and a chainsaw, this is how you can make $300 in less than an hour. So we're gonna show you how to do that. So today we are going to tear down this play set. I think from start to finish, it'll take us like an hour. All you really need is a sledgehammer and a chainsaw, and then you need a truck just to haul it away. But there's always somebody out there who wants this kind of work done. We're gonna get into it and we're gonna see how long it takes. They're paying us $300 to tear this down. So if you have a fire pit, you could just really burn it all. But you do have a disposal fee. It'll probably cost anywhere from $25 to $50 to throw it away, but you're still gonna make really good money for not a whole lot of work. And if you're angry, this is a good way to just take out some anger swinging a sledgehammer. So let's get right into it. Timber. We're halfway there, bud. That's where the chainsaw comes in handy. All right guys, so in real time, that took about 20 minutes to cut it up and to put it all on the trailer. We got a little bit left right there. Just got to pick up our tools, and now we're gonna head to the dump and I'm gonna see how much it costs to dispose of this. Then I'm gonna give you that price so then we can see how much profit you can make in an hour. So the dump's about 15 minutes away. So we're still within that hour right now. So now we're gonna head to the dump and see how much it costs to get rid of all this stuff. All right guys, I wanted to show you what the dump looks like. The only thing you need to worry about here is getting a flat tire, because there's lots of nails. People bring roofing, shingles and everything like that. And then if you can back up a trailer, you'll have no problem. But you can see the guys are out here smashing everything down, but it's kind of hectic. But I'm gonna get a price on how much it all costs to dispose in a minute. I just wanted to show you this. We just got done dumping that stuff at the dump, and I'm gonna show you here my receipt. So basically it was $10 total, and if I can find the weight on here, 0.38 of a ton, so just call it a half ton. So it wasn't too much weight, only 10 bucks to dump, so you make $290 profit, and we did that all within an hour. So it's a great thing to do if you're just looking for some extra work. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you have any other things you want to see us do, just leave that in the comments. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye playset. See ya.